I know that you are learning this language and you just started or you want to learn about grammar. So guys, I'm here to tell you or sharing my knowledge about grammar. So in today's video, I will share with you the knowledge about modals, like how modals works, all modal verbs working, and where we can use all modal verbs, all the modal verbs. So I'll show you everything with the help of my laptop. So this is the thing. So you know what, we all are we know that there is a, if we want to learn this language, that time there is just two things that we have to know about that, about these things. So number one thing is tenses. So, lot of people are coming to me and they are asking me that, Rahul, what is the thing that required to learn this language? So you are just started, that time I would like to tell you about tenses and modals. So these two things are everything. You don't need to have the good knowledge or more knowledge about grammar. So you just need what is tenses, where we can use tense, what is tenses all about, and the second one is modals. So today's like I'm showing you about modals, and I will make another separate video about tenses. So now as you can see the screen, all models, there is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, there are seven and more than seven. There is so many other models are there, but in my case, like these are the models. There we can easily there we can easily, I mean, if I tell you, so there is the models are can, could, should is another model, will, would, and can, could, oh yeah, may, might, must, 2 4 6 7 8. So these are the 6 7 8 models. So these are popular models that we know about, and we should have the knowledge about these all. So these are the all models. So if I tell you about the models, so modal verbs are used along with a main verb to indicate ability. So where we can use, when we want to show something about ability, about necessity, about possibility, about permission, that time we will use modals. So we know that there is 8 9 modals: can, could, should, will, would, may, might, must. Okay, so number one thing, you can see the picture, this picture, there can, we can use the modal can when we are showing about ability, permission, possibility, request, offer. And now I'll tell you ability, like I can swim, I can make videos, I can speak in English. So these are my ability. Permission, can I do something, can I do this thing, can I do that thing, when we are taking permission, can I speak? So these are the permission. Possibilities, yeah, possibility, we can use possibility in like today rain can come, today's weather is like today's rain can come for sure. So can when possibility is more possibility, so that we can use can. Request, as I tell you that, can I do something, can I, that's also permission and request, all the things. And offer also, you can offer something, like how we can offer someone, hmm, can I do this for you, I mean, you can do this, yeah, offer means you can do this, you can do this, you should try it, you can try it, you should. So all the modal verbs are I mean related to each other. So if I tell you about could, so could, can, could, though both are similar, but could, we can use could as a past, when we are talking about past tense. सो वी कुड स्टडी वेल, वी कुड, यानी कि आई मीन हम स्टडी कर सकते हैं. कुड आई यूज योर पेन? सो फर्स्ट थिंग एबिलिटी, I could. When I was in my childhood, that time I could swim. When I was in my school, that time I could speak English. So when we are saying about when we are saying about our past abilities, permission same, possibility, request, offer, so both are same, but could, we are using could as a past tense, and also to you know to offering something or to requesting, humble request. If there is a humble request like could you please help me, could you please do this, could you please give me your give me your pen, give me your car. So when we are saying about something, about a humble request, that time we can use could. Okay, so can, could, both are similar. These are not that much difference. May, might, these both are also may, might, must. These three of are also the same. May use when possibility 50%. Okay, permission, desire, wish. I may snow, it may snow, यहाँ बर्फ गिर सकती है, बर्फ आ सकती है. मे आई आस्क, may I come in, sir? Okay, usually we are saying this thing when we are in our school. So possibility, permission, desire, wish, so all these things we can use. May, you know you may be thinking about it, you may be, हो सकता है, possibility 50%, you may be thinking wrong about this, you may be finding this video more good. Might, he might go, possibility 30%, when we are having less possibility, जब possibility बहुत कम होती है, and to show kindness, so he might go, वो शायद गया, गया मीन्स जाना है उसको, ही माइट गो. यू माइट यूज़ योर पेन, तुम अपना पेन यूज़ कर सकते हो, पॉसिबिलिटी बहुत कम है. You must go at, अब if I tell you about the must, that time I would like to, I'll tell you, we can use must when possibility is 100%. There must rain, there must, you must go at once, तुम्हें एक बार जाना चाहिए. You must be an Indian, तुम एक इंडियन हो सकते हो, या फिर हो, मतलब must, it's just a expression like what we are saying, so we can use it. Give orders and give advice, you must try, you should, we can use as a should or must, the both are same kind of चाहिए, you must do this, you must try this. So these are would and will, both are also same. So this is not, this picture is not having the will, but here is will, so we can do. Would is the past form of, past form I can say, and would, we are using would when we are requesting, we are offering, and future in past, समझ लो, future in past, when we are saying that when I was in my school days, that time I would like to play basketball. जब मैं अपनी स्कूल में था तब मुझे बास्केटबॉल खेलना अच्छा लगता था, या फिर तब मैं ऐसा चाहता था कि मैं बास्केटबॉल खेलूं. Okay, so that time I would like, or imaginary thing, there is didn't mention this thing in this picture, but I'll tell you, when we are saying that I would like to do this thing, I would like to do that thing, that time we can use this word would you like to do this thing, would you like to eat something. So in this way we can use all modal verbs. So this is the basic modal verbs that you can use, and try to write some sentences according with the help of all these modal verbs, all these modal verbs, these are the all modal verbs: can, could, should, will, would, may, might, must. Okay, so go into comment box and write sentence for each modal verb. Can, I can watch videos, I can speak. When I was in my school days, that time I could swim. I should make videos every day. I will make videos every day. And would is like I would like to make videos every day, but possibility is not that much. Will is confirmation. When you are using will कि I will do this, I will do that, so definitely तुम वो करोगे. And when you are using would, I would do this, तब पॉसिबिलिटी कम है कि तुम करोगे या फिर कंफर्म नहीं है. May, we can use may when we are requesting something. May I do some, may I come in, may I do this thing. So but possibility is more than might. Might is also a kind of, we can use as a giving orders and give advice and all these things. But might we can use as a less chance. Okay, more less, lesser chance, I mean least chance have might, and then may, and after that must. You must be an Indian, you must be a good person, you must not watch TV. Okay, so in this way you can use all the modal verbs. I'm feeling that I should make more, in a good way. I'll make another video for it, and also I'll make videos about tenses and all these things. So if you are watching till now, write some sentence according to all these modal verbs in the comment box. Try it, guys. I'll meet you in the next video for sure with a new, with tenses if possible, with new grammar knowledge. Okay, bye.